In this video, we will go over the demographics lister and how to navigate the demographics lister and add columns, add sorts, and save it to a schema. So the very first thing we want to do is pull up the demographics lister, and that is at the very top. You want to click on records and then students and then demographics. So this is your demographics lister, and if you notice here at the very first column there is an up arrow. What this means is that it's in ascending order. So you can actually sort any of these columns in different orders. So if you want to sort it by alphabetical order for names, you can just click on that. It'll take a couple of seconds to sort all the students' names in alphabetical order. So this does take a couple of seconds, and now you notice that everything is now sorted. So next thing we want to go over is how to add columns. So you can right click anywhere at the very top here, and wherever you right click is where your new column will be placed. So let's say if I right click here, we want to add first name, so I can click on show first name, and I'll do this for middle name. So we'll click on show middle name, and then I'll click show last name. And so now I've added 3 new columns, and if I want to hide this column here, I can just right click on it and then go to the very top and click on hide full name. So notice now all the students' names are broken up by first name, middle name, and last name. We can go over now how to place multiple sorts for multiple columns. So we'll start with student ID. If I click on this arrow, and now it's pointing up, it's in ascending order. So I want to hold down the shift key on my keyboard, and I want to click on another sorting column. So if I click on that, notice that we have a 1 and a 2 now. So it's being prioritized and sorted by student ID first, and then sorted by first name. And if I want to add more sorts, I can keep holding down the shift key and click on a new column, and notice now a third sort is added. I can do this for last name also. So keep holding down that shift key, and then now there are 4 sorts going on here. Now if we like this lister and how it looks, we can save this to a schema. So if we go to more, and then we go to schema, and then if I want to just name this test 3, I can save it, and now my schema is this whole schema. Every time you go back into this lister, everything will be saved here as test 3. So you can go back to a default lister, and every time you go to that default, it resets. So what I can do now is go to pages, and then we can close all pages, and that is it.